If your hair is breaking, shedding, dry, or refuse to grow, this simple flaxseed gel can change everything. I boil my flaxseed, remove the gel, and this natural gel is packed with vitamins that strengthen hair, stopping hair breaking, and boosting hair growth naturally. No chemicals, no store-bought product, just a pure natural hair care. If you want to grow your hair naturally, you want shining hair, length, and moisturizer, keep watching because this flaxseed gel is a game changer. Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to Princess Hair Care. Today, I want to share something very powerful for natural hair growth: flaxseed gel. I'm going to boil it. As you guys can see, I take 1 cup of flaxseed, putting inside my pot. So after putting it inside, definitely I'm going to add water. Please stay tuned because definitely I'm going to tell you the benefit of this flaxseed and also how to use it. So many ways that you can use flaxseed to do. So stay tuned with me, and definitely I'm going to apply it to my daughter at the end of the video. I will apply it to my daughter for you guys to see. If you also want to do it for yourself or for your children, you may know the steps that you will take. Flaxseed gel is a natural gel made from flaxseed. When they are boiling it in water, as you guys can see, this is the gel. This gel, flaxseed gel, is very rich. Flaxseed gel is rich with slippery and also deep nourishing for the hair. So if you are using flaxseed, if you want to grow your hair and you are not using flaxseed, I'm going to ask you, what are you waiting for? And what things are you using to detangle your hair? Are you using only okra gel, or you are using aloe vera gel? Or what type of ingredient of fenugreek? You are using fenugreek. What are you using to make your detangling? And also doing massaging, making the leave-in conditioner to your hair. I'm asking you, you are watching me and you want natural hair, you want healthy natural hair. Tell me, let me know in the comment section, what are you using to make your detangle to your hair? So right now, as you guys can see, I'm putting my finger to taste it and see whether the gel is enough for me or not. Should I still leave it on the fire, or I should remove it from the fire? So when I do it that way, I will understand the texture that I want my gel to be. As I told you guys earlier, flaxseed gel, it's all everybody boiling flaxseed according to the way she wants it. You can want it light, you can want it thick, so it doesn't matter. You need to know the way you want your flaxseed gel to be. That's the way that you can add your water into it. Okay, so flaxseed is loaded with powerful nutrients. Your hair love it. It contains vitamin E, and vitamin E, which is improving blood circulation to the scalp and supporting hair growing. It also contains vitamin B, which is strengthening weak hair strands and also helping to when your hair is shedding. It's reducing hair shedding and hair breaking. Flaxseed gel is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which is nourishing the scalp, reducing dryness and improving hair thickness over time. It also contains antioxidants, which is protecting your hair from damaging and keeping it healthier. Guys, as you guys can see, while you are boiling your flaxseed, always make sure to be near on your fire, because flaxseed is having bad temper. Flaxseed is having boiling temper. So when you just leave it, you are going to mess all your kitchen. Normally when I'm doing it, even I'm not doing it on the table, when I'm going to strain it, I always do everything inside my kitchen. If I'm going to mess, so that I will mess only the kitchen without messing my dinner table, my table. So that's it. That is flaxseed for us. Flaxseed also, guys, it's having so many ways, because like when I say it's having so many ways, you can see I strain it the first batch and I put it back again. I start to boil it again. You can boil it so many times, unless if you don't have time. If you have time, you see that's the first or amount of flaxseed. After 1 cup of the flaxseed, that's amount that I get, I put it back, I added water again, and it started to boil again. So if you have time, you can boil it so many times, and you are still going to be continue getting gel from flaxseed. That is flaxseed for us. So if you have time, you can boil it so many times, and you are still going to be continue getting gel from it. You can see now this is my second time. You can see the gel that I'm getting again. So I'm going to stir it, but it's only that I'm going to use the seed also and blend it and make it as a hair mask. So for the 2 times, it's okay for me. But what I'm going to tell you people, please, if you are watching and you want to grow your hair, if you are growing your natural hair, flaxseed flaxseed gel can help you in many ways. It can help you so many ways. It can help you to reduce hair breaking, because if your hair is breaking, you cannot maintain the length, you cannot see your hair, you are not going to be seeing it. You'll be seeing it, but at the end of the day, you are going to be losing it. Which is flaxseed also is also reducing hair breaking, as that one I'm already saying. It's also allowing your hair to retain length. I said it already. It's also keeping your hair moisturizer for a long time and preventing dryness from your hair. It's also improving hair elasticity to your hair. It's making your hair stronger and less likely to snag. It's also adding a beautiful natural shining and softness to your hair while you are using flaxseed gel. Flaxseed is so many ways. You can use it so many different ways. You can use flaxseed to make leave-in conditioner. You can use flaxseed to add oil on it to turn it to be a hair mask. You can use it to detangle your hair. You can use it to add into your shampoo. You can use flaxseed as a face mask. So many ways that you can use flaxseed to do. You can use flaxseed gel to different ways. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner, keep hair moisturizer. You can use it as a styling gel. For you to go to market and buy your styling gel, you can use it as a styling gel also. Okay. And also when you are going to make your braid or twist, also you can use flaxseed. Maybe someone can say, I'm going to buy wax. You can use flaxseed as your wax to make your styling, to style your hair. So many ways that you can use flaxseed to do. You can also mix it with oils to do what? To massage, to do scalp treatment. You can add oil on it to make scalp treatment. Flaxseed is very powerful. Flaxseed, I cannot talk and finish about flaxseed. Flaxseed gel is powerful for natural hair, guys. Flaxseed is powerful for natural hair. So if you are not using it, I'm asking you again, what are you using for your hair? Let me know in the comments below. It's relaxing your hair, relaxing hair. Flaxseed is relaxing hair. It's just a tradition. It's going to transform your hair for you while you are growing. Anyone tried to, you can see so many people trying flaxseed. They know what flaxseed is doing for them, guys. And I'm going to add something from here. When I started my daughter hair, I started with flaxseed, only flaxseed and fenugreek, because that was only 2 ingredients that I was using for my daughter. Why am I using only 2 ingredients? Because I was using that 2 ingredients. Children's scalp are very delicate. It's very sensitive. So I don't want to do something that, first of all, okay, I'll come back to that point. Now, before you do detangle to your hair, I opened my daughter's hair today. Her hair was in the mini braid, so I open it. So after I open it, now I'm going to detangle it before wash it. It's very important. It's very important for you to wash your hair. If you just open your hair, make sure to do detangle your hair first before you go and wash it. Don't wash your hair without detangle it, because while you detangle your hair properly, that will minimize the breaking. You are looking for a way to grow your hair or to grow your children's hair, right? So if you want to grow your children's hair, then you need to do the necessary thing. You need to take action, the things that you can do to protect the child hair without getting breaking. Those things that you need to be doing, that is very, very powerful. Please, if you watch it to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please support us, subscribe to our channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate all of you. When you are using flaxseed gel, it's regularly, when you are using it regularly, you will notice less breaking from your hair, more moisturizer, and better hair growing over time. This is a simple, affordable. Flaxseed is very, very simple and it's very affordable. A natural way to care for your hair, care for your natural hair growing. If you say you want to grow your natural hair but you don't know what to do, I'm telling you today, start using flaxseed. But there is one thing also I'm going to tell it. In the beginning I said it, but I didn't finish everything. You can use okra gel also to do make detangles to your hair or your children hair. You can also use aloe vera gel, but aloe vera, if you are going to use the fresh aloe vera, please, you have to wash it very well. The mouth of the head of the aloe vera, there is, so anyway, I will make that video apart. I will not mix it here. So you can use so many things. My daughter, she started sleeping. She loved when I just put my hands into her hair, doing something like massaging or just playing with her hair. This girl will go off. She started sleeping now. So I'm going to cover her hair and I will allow her sleep maybe 1 hour or 2 hours. It depends on the time that she will wake up. So that time I will take her and go and wash it. After I wash it, I'm going to bring her back here. Okay, so please don't go far away as I'm saying, because I'm going to join the video here also. I will definitely going to show it to you guys how I wash it, how the hair is looking. And also it's not going to finish there, but because of her school now, so I limit her things right now, doing her things. I cannot do hot oil treatment for her this week. So after I make the protectable style, while her hair is in the protectable style, that's the time that I'm going to make the hot oil treatment to her. Hot oil treatment also is very, very important. Please, if you don't know how to make hot oil treatment, check my channel. You'll see the videos and learn by yourself. Okay guys, after I wash my daughter hair, it was just left small. She doesn't want me to take a video because I was asking her, I want to stream it small, because the end of the her hair, it needs to stream small. I need to cut it small to but I was saying I'm not going to do it. After I changed my mind, I said, okay, let me just make it more good. But she's not allowing me to do that. In my people, she's not allowing me. She doesn't want me to. Anytime when I just bring scissors, I bring scissors there. So she was trying to make drama to me. That's why I did not take the video from that part, because I don't want drama. I'm just avoiding my daughter drama. So she told me no, I shouldn't do it. No, and she started to even throwing my things. So I said, okay, I'm not going to cut her hair. She doesn't want me to say I'm going to cut the hair. So I put the scissors one side before I on the camera again to take this short video, because like you guys can see, her hair need to, I need to do something about her hair to stream it small, the ends to stream it small, but she's not allowing me. So I was just going to leave it like that and continue. There's nothing that I can do, because if someone, I don't have it. It's not mine. But the owner told me that no, don't do it. I don't want it that way. So I have to obey and listen to her. She told me that she doesn't want it, then I have to just leave it and be doing it anytime. Maybe while she grown up small again, because now she's 2 years. May she will be 3 years in May. So maybe at least by when she get 3 years or 3.5 years, maybe that time she may understand something, so that she will allow me to do it. But for now, so many times when I just bring scissors, she's not allowing me to do anything again. She will not allow me to do anything. Even recording the video, she's not going to allow me to do anything to her. So I'm avoiding it. So that's why you guys didn't see actually the back. Actually, it's the same thing. The way that I just do the front hair, I wash it I did not make it let too much dry. And also I'm doing it this way because, like, I don't know, I have to just protect everything and make everything by plan. If I get chance tomorrow, I'll make I'll make hair mask for her. But if I can't get chance tomorrow Sunday, before make her hair, if I'm going to look like it's going to stretch too much, then I'm going to skip that part also and just make the protective style for hair. Maybe by next week I can make the hot oil treatment, or I will do the hair mask for her while the hair is in the protective style. So right now we finish everything, my people. How did you see my daughter hair? You can see how shiny, it's just a natural shiny. How my beautiful girl, how her hair is shiny. Look at her. I asked her again, do you want me to cut it? She started looking at me. Look at her, look at her. Is even I'm making her eyes, rolling her eyes on me. This girl. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I know if you watch it up to this point, and I really appreciate you all. Okay, may Allah bless all of you. And if you don't watch it up to this point, even God bless you also. Okay, please like and share it, because your liking is mean a lot for me. And also try to just comment something, say something. Yes, we will try flaxseed gel. Say something about this video, talk something about this video in the comments below. I want to hear from you guys feedback. Okay, bye bye, princess saying bye bye.